Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Instagram account temporarily on PC. So first, you just have to log in to your Instagram account here on your desktop or your computer, and then go to the left side, click these three lines and tap the settings right here. Now under settings, what you're going to do next is to click this see more in account center, tap this one. After that, you have to simply look for personal details. So once you're here, what you're going to do next is to look for personal details, which is this one. Tap this. And then after that, you have to click this account ownership and control. Click this one. And then after that, you have to click this deactivation or deletion. Tap this one. And then confirm your account. Tap your account right here. Now you have to select the second one since you want to delete your account permanently, or I should say temporarily. So you have to click this one right here and then tap continue. Okay. So this is how you simply delete your account temporarily here on your Instagram. Once you have added your password and then tap the reason why you want to delete your Instagram account, what you're going to do next is to click continue. Now they will give you some options like articles in case you just want to block someone or you just want to have a break on your Instagram. You just have to click the sample articles that they're going to show you. These are the articles right here. But if you really want to delete your account temporarily, just go and click continue. Now, here's the thing, you can temporarily delete your account within this given time right here. So if you want to reactivate, you can reactivate anytime. But if you did not reactivate your account within the given days, then your account will be deleted permanently. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.